Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. It's good to see you all back here. Yesterday got quite a lot of momentum, and just in general, the market right now is, I would say, at a crucial point, at a crucial price point at least. Obviously, the end of the week is coming as well. End of the week notoriously is very volatile, and at this point in time, it's very difficult to to kind of gauge which way we will be volatile. It could be both ways. We could be bullish, we could be bearish. So that's something we'll still see. In this video, though, I'll try to give you as much of a thorough analysis to expect, or at least to know what's happening with the markets. All right. So that's what we'll do. Yesterday, we obviously had a great or a very important day with the interest rate decision and the press conference. The outcome basically was a nothing burger, all right? I mean, the monetary policy stays the same as it was the last couple of times. So it's up to Bitcoin right now. I mean, we do see the dollar strength index being a bit bearish, but like we're heading towards support around 100.5, and I do expect that to hold, to be honest. Like they will keep increasing the interest rate, so I do think we're at fair value right now. So what that means for Bitcoin, we'll talk about, all right? But before we dive into that, I do want to bring your attention back to GRAPE. GRAPE has actually done very well. It's a project I have partnered up with. If you don't know them, there's a link down in the description, or you can just type in GRAPE with the last E as a 3. Great project. We'll also publish a video on that later today, kind of explaining briefly what it is and also talking about their launch. Because right now it's at $170 via the link down in the description. You can still buy at $23. All right, there will be a lockup. You cannot sell instantly. You'll have to wait 3 months. But like I said, the project has real long-term potential. So check it out and consider whether you'd like to do that or not. But for now, onto Bitcoin. All right, so market structure I think is pretty clear. All right, we're seeing some bullish momentum here. We have reclaimed the $29,250 support level, so that's great. It's kind of the area around the 382 FIB, which we reclaimed pretty quickly after the initial bearish drop. But now, I mean, we are struggling a little bit. I mean, if you take a look at the 15-minute time frame, you do see that yesterday evening we peaked out around 29,650. And now, after that, there has been some bullish momentum, but the bullish momentum is certainly not as strong as it was after the interest rate decision. So what I expect is that over the next 2 days, we will test this level right here between 29,750 and 29,650. And what we have to do to actually become bullish, all right, and to change the market structure again, because I do think the market structure has turned into somewhat a little bit more bearish. To change that, we would need to break above that. We need to break above ultimately 29,700. If we can do that, a lot is possible, all right? I mean, first of all, we'll get up to 30,400. But from there, it's certainly possible to continue that all the way up to 30,800. But that's something we'll talk about tomorrow as well, if that happens. For now, I do not think that's the most likely scenario. I mean, I do think that we had a significant break. I think it's a bit more likely tomorrow to get some bearish momentum instead of bullish momentum. And apart from that, technically it's a strong level. I mean, it's not going to be easy to break through the trend line and all of the EMAs. And then if you spike up also the 382 FIB up here, and apart from that, there's also some sort of a wave structure which you can identify here. Something like this. Right, so that would mean we would drop down to 28,400. So altogether, more indicators are pointing towards somewhat more of a bearish outcome. But in this case, I genuinely believe it's best to just wait for confirmation. All right, so that is what I'm personally going to do. I'm not going to trade it. I'm going to wait how we react to this level. If from this level we drop back down to under 29,250, then for me it's confirmed that we will at least get a move down to 28,400. But I'll keep you updated on that. All right, that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.